So here we have the Hyundai i30 on a 62 plate. We're going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They're 32,728. Below that, you can change the information displayed there by using a button on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information, and that button in question is just here. You can reset trip computer information from there as well. We can change the intensity of the steering, so the steering can become firmer. You have 3 different modes available, which will show up in the middle screen, but normal, sport, and comfort. We have phone controls on the left-hand side, stereo controls above that, and then cruise control with speed limiter over on the right-hand side. Over in the center is the main stereo for the car. So this is where you can access your radio. You can see that we've got FM radio, we've got AM as well, and then we go back round in a full circle to FM. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so via the CD player. This car's also got USB input and auxiliary input as well, so plenty of ways to listen to your music. If you press the phone button, this is where you'll pair your phone, so you'd press number 1 to pair, 2 to connect, or in this case, 3 to cancel. Working our way down, we have the deadlocks to lock the car doors from the outside. We can turn off the traction control for the car as well. We then have the dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, and then hit that button to turn your air conditioning on. Same button again will turn it off, of course, or hit auto. The car will now maintain those temperatures by taking full control of the fan speed for you. You can override that simply by making any adjustment to the fan speed that you like. Below that, we have 2 12-volt charging sockets, the auxiliary and USB inputs I mentioned previously, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.